Welcome to the ShiftCare Learning Centre. In today's session we're going to be taking a look at generating invoices. We'll start off by previewing invoices, we'll then look at fixing invoice errors, and we'll finish up by generating invoices for a specific time period. So here you can see we've got a number of shifts from the 8th to the 14th. Just take a note of this shift here in red. That'll come into play when we go to have a look at our invoices when we generate them. So in order to preview our invoices for this particular week, just go over to the left hand side and into Invoices and click on Generate. And we'll choose the date range, the 8th to the 14th. And this will display a list of all of our clients and the invoices associated with those clients. If I click on View Report, that will open in a new tab and it will show us the list of the shifts that have been performed for that particular client. So you can just have a quick run through and make sure that everything looks okay. I'm going to do this for each one of our clients here. And you'll notice here there's one in red. You might come across this when you're generating your invoices. If you click on the shift itself, it will advise you that the shift is pending and it wants us to fix the shift before continuing. So if we click the Fix Me button, that will open the shift up for us directly. And up the top, you'll normally get an error saying this particular one says the shift doesn't have any carer. When the shift doesn't have a carer, we can't bill the client. So there might either be an error with either you not allocating the staff member to the shift or the shift didn't actually occur in the first place. So there's a couple of options. You can either edit the shift and place the carer into the shift and then bill the client for it. In this particular instance, I'm just going to go into More Actions and delete the shift because this particular shift didn't actually occur. So we'll just delete the shift there, press confirm. Okay, now if I go back into this report and just refresh it, you can see that that error has now disappeared and all the shifts that actually occurred have been generated correctly there. Just go back in and we'll check that last one for Yusuf and everything looks really good. Okay, so once everything's been completed and you're happy that the reports look okay, we can now generate the invoices for the clients for that period. You can generate individual invoices by just clicking to the person's name. If you like, you can also tick the top box there and that will select all of the invoices to be generated for you. Once you've done that, just go over to the Generate button and click on Generate. Stay on the screen while the invoices are being generated and it only takes a few seconds to do, and you'll see here on the status everything has been marked as completed. So if I click on any one of these, I can actually preview what the invoice looks like for the client, and you can either email this or print it out. If you want to download it to your accounting system, you can also do that as well, and we'll take you through that in another video as well. So that's how you generate invoices in ShiftCare. We hope you enjoyed today's session on generating invoices. For further information or assistance, you can contact us at support@shiftcare.com. We've got really great online chat when you log into ShiftCare, and all our help articles are available at help.shiftcare.com.